7 Zen Rules to Reduce Stress in 5 Minutes. The Zen Master's Guide to Instant Peace. A businessman once came to me, his hands shaking, his voice tight. "Monk," he said, "I don't have time for meditation or retreats. I need peace now." I poured him tea and watched as he tried to drink it quickly, spilling half. "The faster you move," I told him, "the more you lose." Today, I'll share 7 Zen rules that can dissolve stress in just 5 minutes. No special tools, no perfect conditions. Just ancient wisdom for modern chaos. 1. The 1-minute breath anchor. When the mind races, the body panics. But breath is your anchor. Try this. Inhale for 4 counts. Hold for 7. Exhale for 8. Do this for just 1 minute. A student told me, "But monk, I'm too busy to breathe slowly." I replied, "You're too busy not to. This isn't just breathing, it's sending a message to your nervous system. You are safe." 2. The empty hands meditation. We clutch our worries like stones, wondering why our hands hurt. Zen teaches, to receive peace, you must first let go. Close your eyes and imagine holding all your stress in your fists. Now, open your palms. Feel that lightness? That's the weight you were never meant to carry. A CEO laughed when I taught him this. Then he cried, "I've been holding on to failures for 10 years, he said. "What are you gripping that's already gone?" 3. The 10-second rule of non-judgment. Stress multiplies when we label things bad. Traffic isn't suffering, your anger about traffic is. Next time stress strikes, pause for 10 seconds and say, "It is what it is." Not resignation, wisdom. Like a tree that doesn't curse the wind, just bends. Try it now with whatever's bothering you. Say it aloud. It is what it is. Feel how your shoulders drop? 4. The teacup mind. A full cup can't receive more tea. Similarly, a mind full of opinions, plans, and noise has no space for peace. Each hour, empty your cup for 1 minute. Stop, look at the sky, listen to distant sounds. This isn't wasting time, it's making space for sanity. A nurse told me this saved her during 12-hour shifts. "Those 1-minute empties kept me human," she said. 5. Walk like you're kissing the earth. We stomp through life like it's an obstacle course. Zen master Thich Nhat Hanh said, "Walk as if your feet are kissing the earth." Try it now. Stand up and take 3 slow steps, feeling each muscle, each connection to the ground. Stress lives in rushing. Peace lives in noticing. A lawyer who practiced this said, "I reach my meetings calmer by walking slower." Who knew? 6. The mirror of emotions. When angry, we shout. When anxious, we panic. But what if you observed emotions like reflections in a mirror, present, but not you? 7. The bell of now. In monasteries, bells recall us to the present. Set a phone alarm for random times today. When it rings, freeze. Notice, what do you hear, feel, smell? For 5 seconds, be fully here. A tech worker said, "Those random bells became my favorite parts of the day." Stress cannot survive in full presence. The present is where life actually happens. These 7 rules aren't tasks, they're gifts. Start with just 1 today. Tell me below, which will you try first? If this brought you peace, share it with someone drowning in stress. And remember, you don't need hours to find calm. You just need to remember these tools in the storm. Peace isn't a place, it's a practice.